Breckenridge, Colorado, high in the heart of the Rockies at 9,600 feet above sea level. It began as a rugged mining camp more than 160 years ago. But what's happening now? What's going on today, Breckenridge? Well, I'm glad you asked. Hiking, biking, skiing, boutique hotels, and the views. Hey, I'm still here. Let's check out the mountains for a bit. Blue Lakes are a pair of stunning alpine reservoirs located just south of Breckenridge. It's at the base of Quandary Peak, one of Colorado's famous 14ers. They sit high in the Mosquito Range, surrounded by dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, and rugged mountain terrain. Don't be driving your BMW Coupe up here. Rough dirt road, typically passable in summer for most vehicles, but conditions vary, especially when roads are washed out from rainstorms and such. Whoa, they're not paying me enough to keep doing this. Let's go somewhere quiet for a bit.
Alright, so this is the Sapphire Point Trail, just north of Breckenridge and Frisco. So it looks like there's two sides of this. It's starting to rain, so we'll see how long we can go, but beautiful down there. Alright, so this is the reservoir coming up here. God, it's so quiet out here. I feel like I need to whisper. So on the other side, let's look out. Yeah, it's quite beautiful up here. That is for sure.
Okay.
She nipped your finger. It's so cute. Mom.
Oh, that's not get rabies.
Dad. He's so cute.
You are friendly. Come on, buddy. You're right there. But you're not looking at that. You can get sunflower seeds like literally anywhere. Come on, dude.
Okay, one more destination. We're gonna head up to Boreas Pass, Colorado, near Breckenridge.
Breckenridge right now. We are at Boreas, if I'm saying that correctly, Pass. Incredible. I take this any day over the main streets of Breckenridge, which are nice. Look at that. Here's my car commercial for my upgraded BMW convertible, which I haven't been able to really use with the rain, but she's absolutely incredible. This is why I come to Colorado.
Well, thanks for spending some time today. I'm sure we'll find each other again. Maybe for another Colorado adventure.